Hi everyone, today we are working on those upper body muscles, specifically in the neck and upper traps. Hi, I'm Alyssa and I work with Hershey Family Chiropractic. For this exercise, we're going to do one called head retraction. You're going to need a ball. You're going to place this ball behind the center of your head. You're going to look straight ahead. Use that pointer finger on top of that chin as a guide. And you're going to push your chin straight back into that ball, giving yourself a nice double chin. You're going to come forward and we're going to repeat, holding for 3 seconds and then releasing. You're going to do a total of 10 of these retractions. For this exercise, we're going to be doing mid-back foam rolling. So to start this, you're going to go down on the floor, feet flat on the floor, knees bent, and this foam roller behind me is going to go right underneath those scapulas. Arms come straight up in front of you. You're going to lift your butt off the ground. Pull that butt towards the feet to get the foam roller all the way up to the shoulders. Extend the hands back to try to touch the floor, back in front of you, and then we're pushing that butt away from those heels and rocking back to get it all the way down to our waistband. Going back up with the arms, touch the floor, and all the way back down. Now for this exercise, down and up counts as 1 rep, and we are doing 10 of those reps to strengthen our core muscles. For this next exercise, we are doing a standing row. So you're going to get a TheraBand. You want to start at about chest height. Thumbs are going to go in first, point up towards the ceiling. Nice stance back so your arms are nice and straight to start. You're going to pull that band to your chest, hold it there for a few seconds, and then come back. We're going to continue to do this while those shoulder blades are pulling back, almost like you're holding a pencil between those shoulder blades, keeping those shoulders nice and down the whole time. If you notice your shoulders do start to creep up, you may be at too high of a TheraBand and we need to go down in intensity. We're going to do this exercise 10 times for 2 sets. Thanks for following along for our cervical phase 2 program today. These exercises should be performed at least 2 to 3 times per week, every day if available. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. And if you're interested in any of the products that we use today, you can find those on our website or linked in the description below.